data. How come? Yeah, I think now it's perfect. Okay. So I just moved this, I don't know how you hear my micro. Before it was perfect. But suddenly I realized it's not an issue. And the light, I will fix it later on. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is to see what we're gonna do. Let's go to recharge. Let me just display you that mean all my levels here. So it's Bitcoin, right? See all-time high. It was here. So the very important level now is exactly this one. It's like more the psychological level, because then the people see the 100k a year ago and they cannot even imagine. It was just inside the news here. 100k, it's going to go up to the moon, blah blah blah. And yeah, it actually was, if I remember, people start talking about even here something before we even touch the low level, 17.5, something like 16.5, yeah. So the people already said like 100k, it's unbelievable, it go pretty fast, but come on, it's need time and need period, you know, to accumulate the money, take the move, the big move, then to go crash a little bit, then again and again. So it's not coming in a few days, not even a few weeks. It took like 2.5 years, right? And 3, yeah, exactly. So, and again, this one, 100k, when we touched this 100k, everybody was like surprised, take less money from the pocket, put everything in, and yeah, it was I remember this night, it was funny. And then suddenly got another item high. Exactly, many influencers and bloggers, they compare it like in this period of time, you know, like one high, another one, then crash. Then pardon me, it's like this. People see 65,000, then suddenly it's crashed to 30, yeah? Like all leverage in the couple of weeks was gone. The whale take everything. And then again, they start put Bitcoin to the moon. But when it was touched the 64, the previous all-time high, people already start talking here about the 100k. That's why they got stuck in this position. They got stuck till long time, guys, long time. No one have patience to wait like 1 year is fine, but 2 years, 3 years. No one get patient like this. We are not talking about the waves, yeah? Big market guys. So basically you see how perfect they crushed the market. It was super nice. 1, 2, 3. If someone knows how to make this line and what they exactly means, it's easy for you to understand the market moves. And so what's the story about? about the 100k. It was exactly same part when we touched the 100k. So people didn't believe it first, but then when they start to believe, how they actually start to believe, and they start to adopt this 100k. Because all this range was about the 100k up and down, 92, 105, 92, 108. You know, it's quite long period. So basically, the whales gave us 100 days to be adapting this level. Yeah. And then when they see the people already not surprised, so hey, they need something more because the news, everyone start talking about it. So they start believe in a 140. Some of them talking about $200, 200,000. It's coming in a few weeks. End of the summer. Yeah, some of them they say 1 million coming soon. End of this year. So guys, don't be stupid and buy Bitcoin or whatever coins you like. I'm not talking now about the altcoins because now it's completely shit. But you see the market, how the altcoins crash. It's like 4 or 5 times worse than even before you see the market dip. So it's something unbelievable what's happened this year. So yeah, make this story short. This 100k range, this one, people need something more. And all this news, they say going up, Bitcoin's coming 2,000, 100, 3,000, 300,000, sorry, and you know, people, some of them, you know, the traders, what they didn't like a spot, never. The traders, they never like spot. They just buying with the leverage, and no one using the leverage 1 or 2x. They like to use 50, 20. Some of them, okay, some of them they have a patience, they have experience, they go with the 5, 10 leverage, but it's very rare because the traders. Okay, let's talk honestly. It was the traders, yeah, intraday traders or scalping traders. It depends. And maybe from the 100%, it's only like 5 or 3, even maybe 2. It's really professional guys. And maybe 1% of 100, they have insiders information, right? So I pretty believe, because I know this market already a long time, since 2019 or even 2017, but I didn't trade on that time. Yeah, I just knew the market, I knew the charts, I started learning slowly, but no, I didn't trade. If I trade on this time, oh believe me, any coin was just up on the moon, but no. So the thing is, the many traders, which they call themselves traders, they not really have a patience and knowledge. So 98% of all the traders, it can be even you, me, my friends, we still see and we still believe in what we're expecting from the market right now. Yeah, because we're adapting the news. You open the X, Twitter, you open the news, you open the Instagram. I don't know if someone using the Telegram as well, but it's everywhere. Like, it's shit. Just unbelievable. The one day the some of the Trump says one word. You see the market is pumping. Another day, Elon Musk say another word. The market is go down. Another day, someone else. So the news is like this, you know. And yes, you need to follow it, but you need to be also smart and not to believe to anyone, because they know how to manipulate the people. And the smart traders, they know how to trade without any of sentiment, feeling. They have a cold brain, they have a cold feeling. Intuition, of course, as well. But that's why they're using a very small leverage. So to compare to spot, if you buy and you're holding it for 3 years, for example, you buy right now, which can be also good for the next 2-3 years ahead. You never know. That's why we didn't know what was happening. But in the future, when the coin was 60,000, right, for example, and now you see the result. Some of the people bought who last crash was 20,000, 20 feet. Some of them they bought in the 40. People asked what they're gonna do when the Bitcoin was at 40,000. It was seriously, it was funny because it was actually right here. It was 42. You see the consolidation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got it's like 2.5 months. 2.5 months. The whole winter. Whole winter. People didn't understand what they're gonna do, you know, because they know the Santa rally need to be. They expecting the big pump, and then they expecting the February probably will be a super low for the trading, because usually the February and sometimes is the summer, yeah, taking May and go away, as the people say. And so that's why on this zone the people was confused. This range 2.5 months, 2.5 months, and no one knows. And the people, I saw the charts all the time. What we're gonna do? Should we buy, or we already lost the time? Because they knew a couple months ago the Bitcoin was at 25. Now it's 40. Like to give 40,000 for one BTC? Come on. A couple months ago it was 20. Why should I do this now? They start waiting for the opportunity if BTC goes down to buy another. Maybe one, maybe two, maybe half of BTC. Depends. So that's why the big whale guys, they knew this. They see the sentiment people, how they fear, how many longs there, how many shorts position, and it was a Fed and the news, the people, influencers, they start talking about, because they see the range, and they were thinking it's like consolidation. And the big whales, they bought on the 20 and they want to just sell everything on 40. So 2x they were thinking is enough for them, because they didn't believe anymore Bitcoin go up. Because many people I remember here, they put short position. 2.5 months exactly on this range. Then suddenly, when the Bitcoin it goes tiny down on this level of support, people see it's almost touching to go down, they start putting more shorts. See it in our day chart. How was it? Yeah. See. Pam 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 pam. Here was a lot of shorts position. Then suddenly, one day, it's changed the position to go up. So the leverage here, the people put on short. Some of them they say by the stop loss here, here, and the maximum up to this level. The market, without any mercy, just go bang up, take all money. That's it. Ciao, bow. Fine. Took all money, short guys, and liquidated straight away. No mercy. And this was happening in the crypto. Sometimes yes, in the stock as well, you can see the big crash, but not really like this. And depending, comparing with the stock market, it's never ever happened. Never happened because they don't use bots. They never use the bots. The bots only using crypto. A lot of manipulation in crypto. So you can see the people taking the position shorts and they take the position long. You can see even charts, and you can compare how many shorts and long position on each side. So you have idea when the market go next to liquidate all shorts or to liquidate all longs. Of course, if the big whales they want to put the price up then now and break the resistance level, they will break it and they go to the next level. What is exactly happening here? So they broke this level, the resistance level, and this was the second level with the consolidation. See? People again who did not get liquidated, they put a little bit of shorts here because they were thinking this is the top of the top. And market didn't wait a lot of time, like especially in this period. Yeah, it goes straight, crash again. Boom. For 3 days, you can see the price from 50, it's touching 65, 10, 15,000 in the 3 days. Wow, how about that? Then this was the mess. This was the mess. So when we touch 100 and it was the same big range period of the patient, the people waiting, they didn't know what to do because some of them they have 100, some of them they have a good profit because they bought, they didn't scare the market, they didn't was afraid and they just bought it by 40,000. They have a profit for 100. Some of them they sold it. Plus, you know this guy MicroStrategy Sailor. He's the one who is always talking about MicroStrategy today bought 200 bitcoins. Tomorrow MicroStrategy bought another 1,000 bitcoin, 3,000, 400, 200. My God! Now what they do? Want to open ETF with this company, sell paper, nothing. We have a Bitcoin, we create it here, and voila, how smart. Maybe it's a big mistake in the future, no one knows, but did something new. And yeah, so the people get adapted in these hundreds, right? And the market make again a shit story, liquidate a lot of traders, because if you even go with the 10 leverage from here, you're done, completely done. 30% minus, you're done. It's market take all your money without any any alarm, very fast. People still believe in it, but no, didn't get a chance to keep it. And yeah, of course, after that small consolidation again, markets grew up. What's happening here, it was the Samfat, yes, everybody remember it, 10th of October, but what we see now, and why this level is important again for us, because if you stay right in this range, probably we will not back again up for a long time. Explain you why. Because this range from 100 to 126, it's a huge number. For example, Bitcoin is not cost now 20k. It's cost now from 100 to 120k. Yeah. And this range is the huge support level. So if we go like this, just to touch with the shadow candle and go up, this can be a good manipulation, like here. But to be honest, we already a lot of time just stepping, touching this level, trying, Suddenly we broke a little bit, but still I cannot confirm we go down, because still we need to wait. And basically we need to wait the wick, because here you can see the wick is just a shadow. It's not full body of candle, it's just a shadow. Same as here, the wick is not closed yet, but we already see the body is touching the level. So if we go back a little bit, you see how fast the body is just crush this level and go up, put this price in the next level, so the price never go down again. It's just stay in the same position, just touch one more time, just to touch one more time, but never the body go back, go down, never body or candle go down, no, only up. Only because can touch, they can see, they can stay for a while, a couple of days, but weak candle, no. Never ever. Same is here, but here there was manipulation to make believe the people that we go guys up to the moon, but again, didn't see here the resistance level, so it was the new for us. Yeah, but when we suddenly see the support, when this candle is crash, and we see the support, this couple of touch was it. And even 10th of October is trying to touch, but it was a lot of orders here. First of all, it was a lot of orders here. It's thousands of people got liquidated, maybe millions, I don't know. But it was a big number. And then the candle start slowly go down again, touch again, but the body is almost here. The body, yeah, so this one we need to see. Don't mention all this arrow. This is just some indicator which I forgot to delete, but yeah, so we need to be very attention of this 100. This is the psychological level. It's 100. Yeah, you remember when was it 40, 60, everyone talking about 100. So now it's 100 for us as a support. as a support level, and if we break it, it can be for a long range. Again, I'm not talking about we go a bear market, no, but can be it's big possibility. Yes. So this is what I want to say, guys. This level of 100 is very important for us right now for this week, and for me, I'm like 50-50. Here I was before, I was thinking it's just a fad and altcoins go up again, and you know, but to see the reality and what happened now around the world, and a lot of things coming every day, and I don't know, just need to be very careful. Also, if you see the all-time high here, yeah, so always down. So the 100, it can be very critical, psychological as well, the level for the traders, not only for us, for the traders as well. Some of them smart, they start even for the big investors, you know, who just bought in the spot, and if they can see it going next week and the next week less than 100, it means it's a red flag for them, because the people was talking before all news about the Bitcoin up, that going on up. But no, now they see again 100, and it's less than, they not start thinking because of their money, they start taking back. Okay, they take it with the lost, but this is how the money, this is how the people use the money. Some of them, like big funds, they can buy slowly, yeah, but not from the all-time high. They start buying, for example, let me see, start buying, accumulate, start here, yeah, and months, after couple months again, couple months again, couple months again, couple months again. So the average price, it will be nearby like 30,000, let's say, and they start distribute the profit. Also parts here, parts here, parts here, parts here. They never sell in one day. Never. No, there is no money to. If everyone wanna sell in one day, there is no money in the market. No one will buy in one day. You know. So they start selling slowly, day by day. Maybe they split for the 200th day, the full total amount of Bitcoin. So this we need to be very careful, guys, about this level. And again, if we go to 2 hours charts, so you see, this is not good sign. So if this is just for me, I did some going from the last crash, and then the shadow candle touch again. So it's probably like possibility 80%. As the Bitcoin touch this around this level, it can go up for some kind of time. Yeah, maybe 1 day, 2 days. I don't know. Maybe even less, like a couple hours. I know, but it's logical to cut some tiny long position of the long from here. and possibility. Alright, see the 3%, 2%, like 3.2, 2.3, even from here 2.3. It's like to get a profit from 99, say from 100, let's say, to 102. Yeah, I know it's 2.3%, but if you're using the smart with the stop loss, you can do the, let's say, the scalp trading. We call it like scalp trading. Yeah, but you need to be very careful and never ever forget about the stop loss, because otherwise you will sleep and the 10 October again will come and bam, wake up without, no, you wake up with mood, but when you check, the mood is gone. It will gone for the next week for sure. And with depression, you don't need this. So always use the stop loss. Always. This is not my suggestion. This is, guys, the rules. This is the rules. So yeah, and also another more safety trade, as you can say. It's this arrow line, which we can touch. It will be around 97, 98. I can say 98 because sometimes the shadow candle did not go perfectly to the level you see or you draw. Sometimes it's go a little less or go even more higher. It depends how many stops or liquidations the market has at the same time, you know. So yeah, this arrow is go from here. You build this arrow, you touch 1, 2, but when you have already 2, you can put the arrow until the next one, smash it. Yeah, so say 1, 2, and 3 times. This arrow is also for us like it's huge strong support, so it's going up and it can touch again. It might touch again 97, 98. So if you want to do some trade, you can do it from here, but again, very careful, because the responsibility only on your side, no one else. Okay, and again, up to how long? Maybe 100 again, maybe 104. So then you need to see, you need to always focusing on it. But this can be a very accurate long, which is the more accurate long can be, guess from where? Yes, 89. Why we have that one here was the previous range. See how many times candle touch, and then the same boom. So yeah, now this level is for us. It's super important now, but it might take more time than you expected. Maybe not. Maybe the market go tomorrow and touch 89 or 87 even, you know, with some shadow of candle. But from here, it's good chance to take a long position. And like if you want to do also the simple rule. So me, I can start from here. Start from here, then I can take a little bit more here, then I can take a little bit more here, then I can put as well just a little more here as well. So in this case, if I see the market go and take one of my positions, go back again, put a stop loss here, yeah, and I'm gonna take some small profit, but in the same case I will protect my position. The market go again back. The market go back. I already have some profits here. It takes my position, and then takes another my position, takes another my position. So my average will be something like this, like 91 around. Not just average, yeah. And it's not bad. Maybe market didn't touch. Maybe it's go before this support and go up again. So this range from 88, let's say, to 100, this can be the next range of consolidation. Yeah, it can be like this. So this is the chance to buy here, to play with long. From here we can play with shorts, and but very careful. Yeah. So I will do like this, and we will see it pretty soon what will happen, because I'm not talking about like, okay guys, we're taking long here and we need to wait until 150, and doesn't matter what happened down, we still need to wait 150. So for what the reason? Gonna leave? I'll leave with the trade? What? Our position? No. We need to also be adapting the market. If the market go down, we need to go down as well. If the market change the position and go up, we play with the market game, and we need to go as well up. We need to play long. Yeah? Because it's, I'm not talking about it's easy, but you can see if the resistance crash, to go with market up, always market up, yeah. Then you see the consolidation. Okay, forget about market, forget. You can just play a little bit short, play a little bit long, but don't crash again. You don't need to be worried, because you already have the line, and you know the maximum pain it can be when the candle touch this line. Yeah, no problem. Market go down. Mention this line. Be attention. How many weeks? 1 week, nothing to do. 2 weeks, nothing to do. Go play football. 3 weeks, put the position somewhere here and relax. Then one day you will see the market will take your position and give you a good result. Just need to be patient. Need to be patient. Then it's crash very fast. Bam, 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 bam. And this range is also consolidation. Oh, yeah. Because we didn't know this was an all-time high. Maybe now. Maybe it's go again up. But I think it's already like too much. This kind of year and what is happening around the world.